The teacher's new superpower. How AI is empowering personalized learning. Being a teacher is a demanding job. From lesson planning and grading to providing individual support to each student, the workload can be overwhelming. But what if teachers had a powerful ally to help them personalize instruction and manage their workload more effectively? Enter artificial intelligence, AI, the teacher's new superpower. The challenges of traditional teaching. Traditional teaching methods often struggle to cater to the diverse needs of every student in a classroom. Teachers face challenges such as varying learning styles and paces. Students learn at different speeds and in different ways. Providing individual attention to every student can be difficult. Time-consuming administrative tasks. Grading papers, creating assignments, and managing administrative tasks can take up a significant portion of a teacher's time. Limited insights into student progress. It can be challenging to gain a comprehensive understanding of each student's strengths, weaknesses, and learning habits. AI to the rescue. Supporting teachers and personalizing instruction. AI is transforming the role of the teacher by providing powerful tools that provide detailed student insights. AI-powered learning analytics platforms can analyze student data to provide teachers with valuable insights into each student's learning style, strengths, weaknesses, and progress. Facilitate personalized learning. Based on these insights, teachers can use AI tools to create personalized learning paths, recommend tailored resources, and provide customized support to each student. Automate administrative tasks. AI can automate time-consuming tasks such as grading multiple-choice quizzes, providing feedback on written assignments, and creating personalized practice exercises. Offer real-time feedback and support. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide students with instant feedback on their work, offer hints and explanations, and adapt to their learning pace. Examples of AI in action. AI-powered grading tools. These tools can automatically grade objective assessments and provide feedback on written assignments, saving teachers valuable time. Personalized learning platforms. These platforms use AI to adapt the difficulty level and content of learning materials based on each student's performance and learning style. AI-assisted lesson planning. AI tools can help teachers create engaging and effective lesson plans by suggesting relevant resources, activities, and assessment strategies. Chatbots for student support. AI-powered chatbots can answer student questions, provide reminders, and offer technical support, freeing up teachers to focus on instruction. The benefits of AI for teachers and students. More time for instruction. By automating administrative tasks, AI gives teachers more time to focus on what they do best, teaching and interacting with students. Personalized learning experiences. AI enables teachers to create personalized learning experiences that cater to each student's individual needs. Improved student outcomes. Personalized instruction and targeted support can lead to improved student understanding, retention, and academic performance. Increased teacher effectiveness. AI tools empower teachers to become more effective educators by providing them with valuable data insights and personalized learning resources. Reduced teacher burnout. By reducing administrative burden and providing support with instruction, AI can help reduce teacher burnout. AI. A powerful partner, not a replacement. It's important to emphasize that AI is not intended to replace teachers. Rather, it's a powerful partner that can augment their abilities and empower them to provide a more personalized and effective learning experience for every student. The future of education involves a collaboration between human teachers and intelligent technology, working together to unlock the full potential of every learner.